PAPERplus Dragonfly by Storopak. Fast, efficient, fluffy. Dragonfly paper pads are the fluffy packaging solution to protect products in the box. The machine fills voids quickly and efficiently. The speed of the machine significantly increases productivity. The cushioning material is produced directly at the workspace and easily placed in the box. This ensures ergonomics at the working environment. The produced paper can be used without working gloves. The machine separates the paper without cutting blades to avoid injuries. Safe and space-saving. PAPERplus Dragonfly paper pads are ideal for fixing products in medium to large boxes. The fluffy paper is excellent for filling voids. PAPERplus Dragonfly makes working comfortable. Thanks to the touchscreen display, the machine is easy to operate. The paper volume can be easily adjusted here. In addition to the 3 operating modes, demand mode, program mode, and foot pedal mode, the machine offers 3 speed levels for optimum packing comfort. PAPERplus Dragonfly is extremely versatile and user-friendly. Storopak.